Okay, this is Photoshop 2, second part. So as I said, I was using Photoshop right up here, CS6, for a long time, and I have it set up the way I like it. I'm using Creative Cloud because that's what I want you guys to use. So you see the way this screen is like black like this, and the reason I'm doing this too is because I want you to learn how to fish around and find things, how to think about this. Okay, so I don't like this. I prefer my screen to be different. So under every program that you open, if you go under the Program tab, there's going to be a sub-tab, Preferences, okay? So good, we're looking in Preferences, and Interface is the way that I interface with the program. So I'm going to click on that, and the color theme, look at this, is a dark gray. It's a little too dark for me. Maybe I could get used to it. I don't know, you guys might like it, but I prefer, let me see, look at that one. Kind of like the light one. I'm going for the light color, okay, because it just makes me feel a lot better. There you go, and I'm going to say the highlight color is default, yes, default, default, default. We're just going to leave all this because that's perfect. Let's look around a little bit. Okay, auto show hidden panels, open documents as tabs. This is something I personally don't like. I'm going to uncheck that. Enable floating document window docking. I don't even know what that means. Here we go. Tools, show tooltips, enable gestures, use the shift key, enable flick panning. What are these things? These are all new for me. I'm so old school. File handling, always save the profile. So we're just looking around. Export, quick export is a PNG. Oh, that's interesting, okay. Performance, you guys might have to do some stuff with performance, but I am in a NVIDIA graphics processor, so I'm really good. Scratch disks, you know, I've had problem with scratch disks. I don't know what they are, but they're something that you use to process information. Transparency, there you go. Light, grid colors are light. Units and rulers, let's make sure that rulers are in inches and resolution is in pixels. Print resolution is set to 300. Screen resolution is set to 72. And we learned that in the test that you took. Okay, column size, 180, gutter 12 points. Grids, guides, and slices. Our guides are cyan, artboard, smart guides, magenta. Grid is set up to 1 inch to 4 with 4 subdivisions. So it is all set up to our specifications. Okay, here we go. All right, so we say okay, and I'm liking this. It might be a little too light. I might go back and change it, but this is much more the way that I use it. Let me see how much the time is. We're going to go ahead and stop.